You may feel down and feel like God has somehow forgotten that you are faced with circumstances that you can't get through. Say right now it seems that there's no way out and you're going under. God's proven time and time again, He'll fix it for you, and He'll do it again for you. He'll do it again. Yes, He will do it again. Just take a look at where you are now, just where you've been. Well, haven't He always come through for you? He's the same now as then.
Don't you know God has not changed?
You may not know how, you may not know when, but He'll do it again. God,
Yes, He's still God.
and He's fighting for you. Just like Daniel,
Just like Daniel,
just like Moses,
just like Moses,
just like Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
Abednego.
He'll do it again.
He'll do it again.
He'll do it
Yes,
again.
He will do it again.
Oh, just take a look at where you are now and just where you've been. Well, haven't He always come through for you? He's the same now as
Don't you know
then.